Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable automatic media download on Telegram application. So let's get started. First of all, open your Telegram application on your phone. And after you open your Telegram application, you can click on this button on the top left corner of your screen. Then after that, you can scroll down to find the settings. And this is the settings and you have to tap on it. And after that you can select the data and storage right here. Just click on it, and since we want to disable automatic media download on Telegram, we can click on the circle button. So just tap on it, and also this one. Okay, and now the automatic media download has been turned off. Alright guys, and that's how we can disable automatic media download on Telegram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.